okay, which triangles are congruent by angle, side, angle? Well, let's take a look. We would need to have the included angle. So here, this first one, we have side, side, angle. We know that that is not a congruent statement, and anyway, we don't have that on these other two. What do we have on the other two? Well, we have angle, side, angle, but we've got that other side as well. So can we do it with side, angle, side, side, angle, side, side, angle, side? Yeah, we can do it. Now they're asking about angle, side, angle. So what we really want to say is, yes, we've got this angle and that angle congruent. Angle, we have this side and that side congruent, and we have this angle and this angle congruent. So angle, side, angle, and it will be those two triangles. How do we name them? I'm going to get the marks out of there. How do we name them? Well, we have triangle ABC for sure, and we have triangle GFHG. Those have the same letters, so what we really need to do is make sure that their names are correct. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to go from the one with no angle mark, A, that first one, to the one with two angle marks, B, the one with one angle mark, C. So no angle marks, H, two angle marks, G, one angle mark, F. So they should name that as HGF. HGF, that's going to be B. So, although this is the name of this triangle, and this is the name of this triangle independently, when we're talking about which triangles are congruent, we need to have them be congruent using a congruent statement with the names in the proper order so that the vertices are congruent as well. So it's not going to be A, even though those individually name those two triangles. We need to have the triangles named in such a way that they identify all their congruent parts. So we say B, and we're done.